Hello everyone, welcome to this session on self-service BI, empowerment or chaos. My name is Govind and I'm currently working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. I've been also recognized as a Microsoft Fabric community super user. Additionally, I've also done certifications like DP600, DP700. So let us get started. Self-service BI, empowerment or chaos. Self-service BI was introduced with a clear promise: empower business users, reduce dependency on IT, and accelerate decision making. However, in many enterprise environments, self-service BI delivers mixed result. Some organizations achieved speed and agility, while others experience confusion, inconsistent metrics, and loss of trust. This session we are going to explore whether self-service BI truly enables empowerment or actually creates chaos by examining governance versus flexibility, the role of semantic models, and lessons learned from real enterprise BI projects. So, what self service BI promises? The vision behind self service BI. The core idea of self service BI is to give business users direct access to data. This enables faster insights without waiting for IT or BI teams. Self service BI also aims to reduce the reporting backlog by allowing users to build their own dashboards. When implemented correctly, it democratizes data and encourages data-driven decision making across teams. For example, sales team can analyze pipeline performance independently without requesting new reports for every question. This version is powerful but only when supported by right foundation. Where self-service BI goes wrong: when empowerment turns into chaos. Self-service BI often fails when too much freedom is given without structure. Different teams may create their own versions of same metric, leading to conflicting numbers, inconsistent definitions, poorly designed models, and heavy calculations also introduce performance issues. As a result, users lose confidence in dashboards and revert back to spreadsheets. For example, revenue numbers differ across finance, sales, and leadership reports because each team members calculates revenue differently. Without governance, self-service BI creates confusion instead of clarity. Governance versus flexibility, finding the right balance. Governance and flexibility are often seen as opposites, but both are essential. Flexibility without governance leads to chaos. Governance without flexibility slows down the business. The goal is to control self service, where business users can explore data freely but within well defined rules and trusted data structures. For example, users can create their own reports, but calculations and definitions come from a governed central model. This balance enables speed without sacrificing trust. So, what is the role of semantic models in the self-service BI, the backbone of scalable self-service BI? Semantic models plays a critical role in successful self-service BI. They act as a single source of truth by centralizing business definitions and calculations. Reusable measures ensure consistency across all reports. Performance optimizations are handled centrally instead of big repeated in every dashboard. Semantic models also enforce security through role-based access control. For example, multiple departments use the same certified dataset, ensuring that KPIs remain consistent across the organization. Without strong semantic models, self-service BI cannot scale reliably. Key lessons from real project: what actually works in enterprise BI. Enterprise BI projects show that not every user needs full self-service capabilities. Different user groups require different levels of access and flexibility. Shared semantic models reduce duplication and maintenance effort. BI teams should focus on enabling users, not blocking them. Most importantly, trust in data matters more than the speed. Self service BI succeeds only when users trust the numbers they see.
So, if your organization is exploring Microsoft Fabric, Microsoft Power BI, or Enterprise BI consulting and looking to build scalable performance driven analytics solution, feel free to reach out. Whether it's data modeling, dashboard strategy, performance optimization, or end to end BI implementation, the right analytics approach can drive better decisions and real business value. Contact details you can see on your screen. Feel free to reach out to us. Let's discuss how analytics can work better for your business.